If you want to reuse existing Python material in Strype, or want to use your Strype programs in a different Python environment, you have two options to convert between Python and Strype programs. The first option is to open standard Python programs in Strype. So if I choose open here, and I look at my file system, you will see that not only Strype files, but also standard Python files are selectable, and you can just open a standard Python program. So the file I just selected, that was not a Strype program. It is a standard Python program. This will work in many cases. There are some restrictions because Strype imposes some stricter order on the elements in the program than Python does. For example, function definitions must always come before the freestanding code in the program. Imports are at the top. So if you try to open a program that has a mix of imports, function definitions, and code in various random orders, Strype will attempt to reorder this to fit it into the Strype framework. In many cases that will work. There is no guarantee that all Python programs will open depending on the complexity of the code, but for most examples this works. The other option that you have to go the other way around, if you have written a Python program, if you have written a Strype program and you wanted to save it in standard Python format to open in other Python IDEs, you have here a convert to Python file function in the menu. This will save a Python version of your program to your default saving folder on your local device, and you have a Python version. This program will be executable in other Python systems if they just use standard Python. But remember that Strype has two libraries available, a graphics library and a sound library that are specific to Strype. They are unlikely to be available in other Python environments. So if you have used those, they will most likely not run outside of Strype. But standard Python code is easily convertible to Python.